COSORI TurboBlaze smoking or burning food? Here's how to stop it. If your TurboBlaze starts smoking or your food keeps coming out burnt, don't worry, it's usually a grease issue, tray placement, or cooking habit that's easy to fix. Here's what to check. Step 1. Empty the grease buildup under the crisper plate. Greasy foods drip underneath the tray, and if you don't clean it out, that oil reheats every cycle. Pull out the basket, lift the crisper plate, and wipe underneath with a paper towel. Do this after anything fatty like bacon, burgers, or wings. Step 2. Clean off the heating coil. Look up under the top housing. If food splashed up and stuck to the coil, it'll burn and smoke every time you run the fryer. Let the unit cool, then gently wipe around the coil with a soft, non-abrasive brush. I use a curved silicone one that fits between the coil and housing. It's safe for non-stick, and I've linked it below. Step 3. Stop using parchment or foil with no food on top. If you line the basket but forget to weigh it down with food, the fan can blow the liner into the coil, triggering smoke or even a flame. Only use foil or parchment if food is sitting on it to keep it in place. Step 4. Reduce oil-heavy marinades and sauces. Wet food is more splatter. Dry rubs and light oil sprays work better in air fryers. If your food is wet or sugary, pat it dry first. If this helped you cut the smoke and stop burning food, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a soft cleaning brush for that coil area, I've linked the one I use below. It's flexible, non-scratch, and perfect for deep cleaning without damage. Thanks for watching and keep it clean.